Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so happy to meet you, and then if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. As usual, I'm on social medias. You can find me on Instagram and I will put the link on the screen now, and also I have my Facebook group which I will put the link in the info box in the bar down below. Today of course is another video showcased beautiful collection of paper by the lovely Gi Kerr. So this month I'm showcasing the pink butterfly collection, which of course is designed by the lovely Gi Kerr. Let me show you these amazing papers. Okay, so we got 12 pages with this kit, and it's coming in a PDF that you can just download it simply at home and can print it with any sort of shape and size that you like. Okay, so I was drawn by this beautiful butterfly. So on this page we have 5 butterflies with 5 different sizes. Absolutely gorgeous. And then the detail, sorry I was too quick, the details of those butterflies are amazing. Okay, look at that. You also get 4 of these pointy banners, a little square one, and 4 of these tags, and then you get on this side you get 4 embellishments. Okay, very pretty. So very versatile elements. Then we got some A4 papers. I have printed using some boards, but they're going to be chopped. You know, depends what sort of project I made. So this is one, and this is a typical Gi Kerr style. So you got the butterflies, you got some handwriting, very vintagey, very shabby, beautiful colors. You get this green. I know on the screen it looks more like grey, but in real life it's more like a greenish antique mustard sort of colour. You've got gorgeous butterflies in there. And I've got another one in here. One in the corner here on your right hand corner you've got more butterflies. More. I love these full size pages because you can, you know, they're super versatile. You can fold them and make like journal. You can cut them in 4 and make like cards. So versatile. That's probably my favorite one. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And then you've got the details of the flowers, the handwriting on the background. Then you've got this one when you've got the huge butterfly in the middle. Absolutely stunning. You've got more A4. This is just plain handwriting. The one with the roses. Just in there. Beautiful. Lovely. You can see like this is like a journal cover. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And then on this page we got 4 sets of A6 cards. Absolutely stunning. Just want to show you the details are amazing. And then one more. Love that with the huge butterflies. Okay, don't forget guys to follow and join Happiness in Crafting Facebook groups, and of course I will put Gi's Kerr, in case you don't know, but I doubt you do know Gi's channel linked in the description down below. So today I want to show you how I have made this concertina album or folio, as you want to call it. It's beautiful. I absolutely love it. So it is a fairly big, it's the same size as my hand, and I'm going to give you all the measurements in just a minute. And then it opens like that, and then you just shut like that. Now you can put like a ribbon, you can put some glue dots, you can create a little lid to go over it and close it, but I quite like it like that. And because the pockets are actually very long, so whatever you put, it's just gonna stay there. So, you know, and I'm planning to put some tags in here, so nothing, you know, like that, it could open up and then go all over the places. So I have used vellum. I printed these beautiful papers into vellums. I'm obsessed with these vellums at the moment. I love it, absolutely love it. This is the last sheet that I have. Actually lying, I've got one more, which is what I fussy cut the butterfly to go on the front. And I got the tags and I got the embellishment in here. So I'm going to keep this as a treasure, because yeah, it's my last 2 pages of vellum. Right, so how can you make this album? It's very, very simple, really. So for the cover, which is the piece of pink cardstock, I have used a piece of 3 5/8 by 11 5/8. Okay, so you've got this really long rectangle. Now, the reason why I picked this dimension, so you can use a normal 12 by 12 and also our international European A4. So you can get that. You probably get about 3 of these out on an A4. And then once you cut it, you score it at 5.5 and 6 1/8. So you get this little piece here, which is basically the wide of your album. Now, don't forget, this can be as wider as you want it to be. But again, depends what you're planning to put inside, because you need to bear in mind that the more things you put it, the thicker it gets. So I recommend at least ½ inch, but again, it's totally up to you guys. So that's that. And then for the pocket, I got, I think there were 1, 2, 3. Yes. So it's 3 pieces of 11.5 by 3.5. So, and what you do, and I use some scraps so you guys can see it. So this is that was a strip that I made. Okay, so what you do, you basically glue it, and you've got this rectangle. Okay, so you fold it like that, and then I use my 1-inch punch, circle punch, to create that little round bit. And then once you get your rectangle, I have used double side tape because I prefer to use that with vellum rather than liquid glue, because I find it more strong and it works better, to be fair. So where is my picking tool? It's there. Oops, sorry about the loud noise. Come on, stick it down. That's it. So I put some double side tape on the vellum. So you've got all your patches attached to one another. And then what you do, you just glue it on each side of your folio, and that will give you that concertina effect. Just very, very, very simple. I'll show you on the bigger one so you can see it better. Okay, very, very simple, but I think it's very effective. And again, you can change the measurements of these and do as wide and as big as you want. When I was doing this one with some scrap paper that I have, I thought I might do some more, put some tea bags in it, because it's quite a little pretty tea bags holder if you put it this size, and might do like a little lid with maybe like a velcro dot or something. So that's a little presentation. Okay guys, I hope you liked it. I love it. I absolutely love it. So yes, I'll probably definitely make some more. It works better with vellum or anything that is a bit strong, like a cardstock, because look at, if you hear the noise of the paper, actual vellum is not paper, it makes you really thick, really strong and thick. You can decorate it with anything that you like. Right guys, that is it for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give me a usual thumbs up, because I will support the video doing well. If you're not already, guys, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out my giveaway. Still, we've got this week and towards the end of next week, so I will pick a random winner next, not this week, Friday, a week on Friday. Okay guys, have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well. Bye.